How does one of these help you with that? Whilst electronic flight bags, GPS navigation systems and the trusty navigation computer exist to make your nav planning and flying easier, the simple clock can help us quickly estimate the impact of wind when assessing an in-flight diversion, picking up the ATIS inbound to an airfield, or when entering an IFR hold. By comparing the angle of the wind with our heading or track, we can estimate the crosswind component and easily calculate the wind correction angle or drift. All you need to remember is sine, wind, clock. Sine, take the angle between the wind and your track or heading. Wind, divide the wind speed by how many times the angle fits into the clock face in minutes. 30 fits into the clock face twice, so we would divide by 2. 15 fits into the clock face 4 times, so we divide by 4. And clock. To estimate the wind correction angle, or the angle of drift, we need to apply our true airspeed in miles per minute. Again, the clock face helps us. At 60 knots, our speed fits into the clock face once. We do 1 mile a minute. At 90 knots, our speed needs 1.5 clock faces. We do 1.5 miles a minute. 120 knots needs 2 clock faces. We do 2 miles a minute. So let's do a quick example. We want to divert from the Redcar VRP to Fadmore. A true track of 170 degrees is needed. The wind is 200 at 20 knots. So let's use the sine, wind, clock to work out our wind correction angle. The sine of 200, take away the 170, is 30 degrees. 30 fits into the clock face twice. The wind speed is 20 knots, so we divide the speed by 2 to give us a 10 knot crosswind component. Our TAS is 90 knots. 90 fits into the clock 1.5 times, so to get the wind correction angle, we divide the 10 knot crosswind component by 1.5, which gives us 6.6 degrees. Let's call it 7, and we have a handy way to estimate that 177 is the course we need to get to Fadmore. If you want more hints and tips from a navigation specialist and pilot to help make your flying easier, follow us on our social media channels. And if there's something you're struggling with in the navigation syllabus at PPL, CPL or ATPL level, then drop me a message and see how I can help turn complexity into simplicity.